Hi everyone! Ako po si Rosel at ito ang anak kong si Kirsten. Nandito kami para ibahagi sa inyo isang bagay na tunay na nakapagbabago ng buhay. Pagod ka na ba sa 9 to 5 na trabaho? Pakiramdam mo ba na nawawalan ka ng mahalagang oras kasama ang pamilya?
That's exactly why we're so excited. We discovered a global digital business that has completely transformed our lives. And the best part is, you don't need any experience to get started.
Isipin mo ang buhay kung saan pwede kang magtrabaho kahit saan, kahit kailan, basta't may phone or laptop at wifi ka. Wala nang kailangan makipagsiksikan sa traffic. Wala nang mamimiss na importanteng mga event ng pamilya. Ang negosyo na ito ay nagbibigay daan sa amin na gumawa ng sariling schedule at laging nandyan para sa isa't isa.
And the support is incredible. We get step-by-step video training that makes everything easy to understand. Plus, there's a global community of like-minded people who are always ready to help and cheer us on.
Oo, napakaganda ng community. Nakakilala kami ng mga tao mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo at napakalaki ng naitulong nila sa amin. Marami kaming natutunan at sabay-sabay kaming umuunlad. Parang nagkaroon kami ng pangalawang pamilya.
I used to worry about my future and about how I could help my family financially while still pursuing my dreams. This business has given me the confidence and the tools to do just that, and it can do the same for you.
Alam ko ang sakit ng hindi makita ang mga mahalagang sandali ng aking mga anak dahil sa trabaho. Ang negosyo na ito ay nagbigay sa akin ng kalayaan na maging kasama ang pamilya habang sinisigurado ko ang aming pinansyal na kinabukasan. Hindi lang ito basta trabaho, ito ay isang lifeline.
And the best part, the business runs on automation. We earn while doing the things we love. Imagine making money while spending quality time with your family, traveling, or pursuing your passions.
Exactly! With automation, we have more time to enjoy life. We can be there for our loved ones and still achieve financial success. Plus, we have one-on-one mentoring to guide you every step of the way. You'll never be alone on this journey. So if you're ready to change your life, you take control of your time and future, then don't wait. Tap on the Learn More button po kung paano kayo makapagsimula sa journey na ito kasama namin.
Take the first step today. You deserve to live a life filled with the freedom, security, and joy. We're here to support you every step of the way.
Samahan nyo kami at sabay-sabay natin buuin ang mas maliwanag na hinaharap. Tap on the Learn More button po para simulan ang iyong journey ngayon. Mayroon kaming mga testimonials mula sa iba't ibang matatagumpay na business owners at makakapagpatunay na pwede mo ring makamit.
Buong akala ko ako'y magtatrabaho na lang habang buhay, antayin yung retirement, and then doon makapagbiyahe at doon makapag-enjoy. Ako po si Maria Ella, living in Canada for 17 years. I was a nurse, working for 12 years, and then ngayon po, ako isang business coach, isang mentor, at isang job quitter for almost a year. So dahil po yan sa business na to, na I started over 4 years. So kung ito po ay interest nyo, so, check this out, and then I assure you na mababago din ng business ito ang buhay nyo.
Hey everyone, my name is Franco and I've been a job quitter for 4 years now. I have also acquired 3 properties because of this business, 2 in the Philippines and then 1 in Canada. I also have helped 25 students to go back to school in the Philippines, and now I'm helping a lot of everyday people to do the same as well. So come and check out this business because this is amazing and legitimate. God bless everybody.